Specimen release agent. Sampling swab. Break the part of the sampled swab that is higher than the collection tube. Immerse the swab head containing specimen in the collection tube containing specimen release agent. Tighten the tube cap and mix upside down. Let stand for 10 minutes. Nucleic acid purification kit. Take out the deep well plate in the kit. Tear off the aluminum film sealed on plate. According to the number of samples tested. Successively add 300 μl samples to be tested to the wells AH in column 1 and wells AH in column 7. Turn on the instrument. Put the 96 deep well plate into the plate holder in the instrument. And insert 8-link magnetic bar sleeve into the instrument. Please set the program according to the manual. After the run, remove the 96 well plate from the instrument. Discard the magnetic bar sleeve, let the instrument restore to its pre-use status. This kit is a lyophilized nucleic acid detection reagent, pre-packed in fluorescent PCR 8-strip tubes for the qualitative detection of Vibrio Parahaemolyticus, VP, nucleic acid. The positive controlled, lyophilized powder is packaged in a sealed bag and needs to be reconstituted and mixed with 100 ml of purified water before use. Place the positive control tube in the palm centrifuge and centrifuge for 10 seconds. Add 100 ml purified water to dissolve positive control, lyophilized powder, before use. Vortexing it for 5 seconds. Place the positive control tube in the palm centrifuge and centrifuge for 10 seconds. Tear the aluminum foil bag and take out the 8-strip tube VP reaction mixture, lyophilized powder. Open the PCR tube lid. Add 20 ml of the test sample nucleic acid, negative control, and positive control nucleic acid to each well. Cover the PCR reaction tube with the lid. Vortexing it for 5 seconds. Place the PCR tube in the palm centrifuge and centrifuge for 10 seconds. Please follow the instructions in the manual to set the corresponding program.